LS the World shirt. If you can't beat them, join them. Now we've got these in small to fat bastard sizes, and we've also got small and big stickers.
We've even got the tiny little stickers you can put anywhere.
Oh yeah. So get on them.
Guys are saying it is an original SV.
It's a genuine SV, build number 11, factory manual, factory sunroof. So we've got rid of the old donk, cast iron, and 6 litres gone in. Built 6 litre, forged bottom end. Still retains the factory 241 heads, not the 243s.
Oh yeah, the guys were saying they got 5.7 heads on it. Yeah.
5.7 heads on it, correct. And yeah, just basically still LS2 manifold. Set of pipes and yeah, just head and cam.
Yeah,
oh yeah, and obviously 6-speed manual.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a T56, isn't it?
T56. It's got a Mantic dual plate.
Oh yeah.
1000 horsepower rated clutch. 4.1s Borg Warner VL diff, 28 spline.
Is that what did you break last week?
That's exactly what we broke. We broke the pinion gears.
Oh, everything?
It pretty much smashed the whole gear set, and then we went back to the factory, replaced the gears that night.
So it's the same as what you broke, it's what's in it now?
Same diff gears, but second-hand diff gears. So,
yeah, okay.
And it's actually held up a lot better. So we're hoping to go, it went 1040 PB. Last time we took that out, it went 1050. So hopefully we can get a 1030. It'll be like Australia's fastest LS1 or LS2 6-litre manual.
Yeah, okay.
Naturally aspirated.
Yeah. And you run this on E85?
E85, yes, correct. And it's just a good saw.
Makes about
been very reliable.
370 at the wheels?
373 kilowatts at the rear wheels.
Okay.
Garage Works has tuned the car and done a lot of the, obviously the tuning, the dynoing is definitely Elite Service Centre. Basically built the engine, flow graphs done on the machine. And yeah, I'm the designated driver.
And why are we stuck out here?
Actually, it's ran out of fuel. And I was probably going to go the PB, and I went a 1050, I sent up at the clock, 4th gear, hit 4th, she ran out of fuel. So we're stuck out here. Hopefully we'll fuel her up and we can go that 1030.
Killer.